Rolls-Royce is making headlines after recording their highest ever annual sales in 117 years. Hi, and thanks for tuning in. Holly Shields here for Kalkite Media. The car company's annual results for 2021 reveal over 5,500 vehicles sold to clients worldwide, a figure which is 49% higher than the stats reported in 2020. These record high sales were powered by a boom in demand for its Ghost limousine and Cullinan SUV. Throughout the pandemic, the wealthy have been motivated to invest their disposable income into cars, which is why luxury car makers like Rolls-Royce have benefited from the boom in demand. Specifically, Rolls-Royce's sales were boosted by buyers in the US, China, and the rest of Asia. On top of that, custom orders like the Phantom Arrive also increased its sales, making it the leading car maker for cars costing over £209,000. A majority of the 2,000 Rolls-Royce workers are employed in its factories in Goodwood, West Sussex, which is operating at total capacity at the moment to complete all of its orders, with a waiting time of around 1 year. Warren East, CEO of Rolls-Royce, said the waiting time for luxury items is a good thing and that the company is optimistic about breaking its own sales records again in 2022. The company has launched an exclusive invitation-only service called Coach Build for its wealthiest clients to create their own cars. Rolls-Royce is also set to bring the Spectre, its first battery-powered car, into the market by 2023. And considering its trading history, Rolls-Royce is undervalued. Its share price seems to be on the cheaper side. Rolls-Royce Holdings shares closed at £127, up by 0.41% on the 10th of January. So as compared to its 5-year height of £375 a share, Rolls-Royce shares are trading at a considerable discount. The market cap of the FTSE 100 listed company stood at around £10.6 billion. According to the latest trading update, Rolls-Royce has bounced back to generating positive cash flows after cutting down on operational costs and staff. Even though the company is waiting to report a free cash flow of £2 billion for 2021, the free cash flow turned positive in the third quarter. Rolls-Royce expects to generate cash worth £750 million in the year ahead, provided the flying hours touch 80% of pre-pandemic levels. If this cash flow is generated, the above-average cash flow yield of the company, which is currently over 6%, would settle at an appropriate value of 4%. This could lead to an increase in its market cap and a rise in its prices. Now that you're up to speed, check out some of our other videos to stay up to date. This has been Holly Shields for Kalkite Media.